Good afternoon, this is Tim here. Hope you're doing well. We're on part number 16, page 79. Just before I get into this, I put out a request yesterday for some hairy, crazy parts, and sure enough, a guy or somebody from Sweden sent this beast of a part. Um, just this, it is a beast of a part. And initially it looks easy enough, but when you really get into it, it's just, I don't know, a gulag of a solid part. So I haven't looked at it too much because I want to like look at it initially and then go with it so you can see what my brain is thinking. I don't know would that help you or not, but honestly I look at this. I shouldn't say that it's even um too challenging, but anyway, look, I'm going to just put this out there and see if anyone wants to give it a lash. But this is from Christopher, and I don't know what sort of people they have in Sweden that come up with parts like this, but that's just insane. Anyway, look, we'll get back to this later. Um, Hold on, close current tab. Here we go. Back to a nice easy part. Um, so um, look, first thing we'll do is let's draw this. I think we want to draw this side profile here and do a lot of shared sketches. That's what I'm thinking. This is going to be our origin right here. So let me get my paper out. Do you know what I should do? Is I should bump up the um, the financial reward and add that last part. But that is a B. Anyone else that have parts like that? Definitely send them on to me. Um, I know if I have any naughty bold students in the next few semesters, that's going to be their what you call it, extra homework. So anyway, look, we have a diameter 60, a diameter 30. Um, anyway, I can remember these, right? So let's go and we get a new part. We'll change the units again. And we have two circles there, 60 and 30. Okay, now we come up here and we have like an L shape. So if I come up here like this, boop, maybe something like that, wouldn't it? Does that go all the way down? Does that, it does it. This and this are coincident. And then this is a tangent line from there. Now, I'm going to make these two tangent. And what else? We have that. And then there looks to be like some sort of something like that. Now, what are these dimensions here? 20, 46, 106. Let's do the 106. Where's that going from? From here to here, 106. This is 20. Now this is missing from the drawing, so bad form on me. That's 20 there as well. And what did we say? 46. All right, and then we have the 60. What is the depth? 40. 40 will bring that to the center of that. Oh geez, what does that make me think? If I get a center line from there, and can I make this vertical? I'm going to make that 40. So from here to here is 40, and that brings that out. That's okay. And we have a line that goes from there to there. and from there to there, and this is symmetrical. Now, the top of this is 40 and the bottom of that is 60. Is that right? So from here to here is 40, and from here to here is 60. Now this point and this line are going to be symmetrical, and that pulls that in, and that's all black, fully defined. And then this is diameter 20. Diameter 20. Okay, that's my sketch. So I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to do an extrusion, mid-plane extrusion of 80. Just bear with me now for 1 second. Right, sorry about that. Where are we? We got this here. So I need to extrude this 80, don't I? So mid-plane, I'm going to make this 80, and I'm going to go OK. And what's the next one? This L shape, and that comes out 60. No problem. Alright, click the sketch, click the feature, mid-plane. Alright, and then look, we're going to get this rib here in the middle as well. That's 12. Man, this is too easy. Mid-plane 12. Okay, now what's next? We're going to do some fillets, radius 30 fillets. So I'm going to go fillet 30, bang, bang. Got that. Next, we're going to do this. We're going to do, look at this. This thing, funny enough, this hole here doesn't go all the way through. It just goes, are we missing a hole there? Do we have that? Yeah. This thing, all it goes down to is there and it stops. So I need revolve. And I'll select this contour. It picks that center line. Merge result. Turn off the sketch. And that's it. Part number 16, piece of cake. No trouble to use. Alright, I'll move on to the next one. That looks a little bit hairier. That's good. I need a challenge.